In this video, I'll show you how to download all emails from Gmail in a simple and secure way using Google Takeout. This is the best method if you want to back up your inbox, save important messages offline, or keep a copy of your email history for future reference. The process is free, and you can do it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to takeout.google.com. This is Google's official data export tool, and it allows you to download a copy of your account data, including your Gmail emails. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Gmail account you want to export. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of Google products selected by default. To make sure you only download your email, click Deselect All at the top. This clears every other Google service, so you can choose only what you need. Now scroll down through the list until you find Mail. Turn on the checkbox next to Mail. This tells Google Takeout that you want to export your Gmail messages. After selecting Mail, scroll all the way down and click Next Step. On the next screen, you'll see a few export options. Here you can choose your delivery method, which is how Google will send you the download link. You can also choose the export frequency, file type, usually zip, and file size, which determines how large each file can be before Google splits the export into parts. Once everything looks good, click Create Export. Google will now begin preparing your archive. Depending on how many emails you have, this may take some time, so be patient while the export is generated. When it's ready, Google will send a download link to your email, or you may also see the download option directly on the Google Takeout page. Open the email or return to the Takeout page, then click Download. The file will download as a zip archive to your computer. After the download finishes, extract the zip file to access your Gmail emails and associated data. Inside, you'll find your exported mail files that you can store safely, back up, or move to another system if needed. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all your Gmail emails using Google Takeout. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.